an unboxing from Killstar. I love Killstar. They have so much cool stuff. Way too much cool stuff. I want it all. Really, this super cute shirt. I love how like vintage, gothic it looks, and I want to create some like makeup looks in it. Have some cute stuff to wear for you guys. Oh, she is so pretty. Freaking adorable. I love this material. It's really stretchy. I like that a lot. And this is very like different from what I would normally wear, but I feel like it also really fits in with my style. I saw this and I was like, it's different, it's cute, let's get it. This is the next top that I got. It's so freaking adorable. I love how long this collar is. So freaking cute, and this is like the biggest reason why I bought it, because I love it. It also comes with like a matching skirt. You can order a matching skirt to go with it, but I think I have a skirt that I'm going to try to pair with it. Never owned anything that has like little belt clips like this, so it's gonna be fun trying to like style this shirt. I bought this specifically to wear when I go to Salem. I feel like it's very fitting. The only thing is that I do wish it was a little shorter, because I'm short, but I think I'm just eventually gonna have to get a sewing machine so I can start hemming up my stuff. But I love it. It's really freaking cute. I like the material too. It's like very stretchy. To go with this dress, I couldn't resist. I have been wanting a pair of creepers for a long while. So cute. They're so cute. They're going to match that other t-shirt so well. I love the moon. I am very obsessed with the moon. These are amazing. I accidentally ordered 2 pairs of these when I got it. I was like, oops. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. I don't think that this dress I'll be wearing it with, but that skirt, yes, that is exactly why I bought that. Here are the super adorable socks. I love them. They are so cute. And I like that they have the pentagram on them and the pentagram's not flipped upside down. I like it. All right, here is the whole fit together. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. I love platforms. You guys probably already know so far that I love platforms. They fit me so well. This fit is so perfect for Salem. I can't wait to be in Salem in my little Killstar outfit. Yes, I've been dreaming about going to Salem for years, and I'm so excited to finally be there. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.